Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Looking at questions on logarithms that regards to multiplication and division. So a student asked me to do a video on this for him. Number one question says evaluate 6.35 times 10.14. Very simple. What we do there, first of all, we put the numbers in number plane. Table we have says 6.35. And then we try to we want to represent this in standard form so that we can differentiate between the characteristics and the mantissa, right? So in the standard form, it is the same thing as 6.35, right, times 10 raised to the power of 0, because nothing moved. The decimal point was still here. So therefore, this index here, 0, is going to be our characteristics, which is 0 point. You know the difference between characteristics and mantissa, right? Characteristics is the whole number before the decimal point. The mantissa is the decimal number after the decimal point, right? I will be doing this from looking at this on the logarithms table. So the next question is the next value there is 10.14. Right, 10.14. If you look at this, if you want to transform this, it's going to be 1.014 times 10 raised to the power of 1. Why is that so? See, now we move this this decimal point from here down. That's how decimal point works, right? We move it down. And if you are counting, remember my formula of Lars. I gave you guys the formula of Lars, right? In my formula of Lars, I said when we have stuffs like LARX, LARS, what we do, we count. If we are counting to the left, it means we are going to add the index, that's the power there. And if we are counting to the right, it means we are subtracting the power, that's transformation. I've done this on my other video. I will leave the link down on this video for you to know how it works. So since we moved this decimal point one place to the left, right, and the left here means if we are counting to the left, we add. Since we move just once, it means we are going to add ones in the power plane here. That's why we're adding 1 here. It therefore means the characteristics here is going to be 1 point, right? You see how it works? Very simple. Having done that, we'll go straight to our logarithm table, our logarithm chart. We'll look at what is log 63 under 5. And I've done that for you. You can see that on your screen there. Log 63 under 5 is 8028. 8028. Okay, we're looking at log 10 under 1. What is log 10 under 1? So log 10 under 1. For log 10 under 1, what do we get? We got 0043. 0043. And then next number there is difference 4. Check there, it's still on your chart there. Difference of 4 give us what? Give us 17. So we add it up. Right, by addition, this is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus that one is what? 6. And then we have 0 0. So if we have to add that here, it's going to be what? It's going to be 0 0 6 0, right? So since we are, if you look at the question, since we had 6.35 times, the operator sign here is a times, right? Since we are having a times as our operator sign, it means we are going to add the answers, right? You know how we do it in indices, right? When we have two bases, we are multiplying two bases, it means that the power is going to add. That's what's actually happening here. So in this case, we are adding this one up. So if you look at this, 8.0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is what? 8. Here we have 0. And then 8 plus 0 here is what? It's also 8, the decimal point. And then 0.0 plus 1 here is 1, right? That's the first thing to do, but we're not done. We are going to retransform this number into the antilog form, right? So in looking at the antilog, this number in the antilog form, antilog of 0.80, antilog of 0.80 under 8. What did you get there? If you look at your antilog plane there, it's on your screen. Antilog of 80 under 8 is 6427. Is 6427. right? And then we're looking at difference of what? Difference 8. Difference 8. If you look at difference 8, what do we have? We have 12, right? It's your screen. So we have 12. The same thing that happens there will happen here. We're going to add them up. So by adding 7 plus 2 gives us what? Gives us 9. 2 plus 1 gives us what? Gives us 3. This is 4 and this is 6. So our final answer is going to be what? 6, 4, 3, 9. But we're not done. If you look at the answer we got here is 1 point. When we are solving for antilog, we add 1 to the characteristics we have here. So this is 1. If we add 1 to it, it becomes 2, right? It therefore means we're going to move our decimal point from here 2 places. 1, 2 to the right. So our final answer becomes 64.39. That's how it works. Right? So our answer here, we're going to answer this. The answer is going to be what? 64.39. Haven't done that. I hope you understand what we just did. Please make sure you like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Please hit on the subscribe button there. That way you will help us grow the channel. We're looking at hitting 2,000 subscribers between now and December. Help us share this video to your friends. See you in the next video. Although in the next video we're going to do something a bit more technical, but I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, tell us how you feel about the video in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.